Chapter 9, Section 3 in the 7th grade note-taking guide is entitled Areas of Parallelograms here. So we're finding the area of figures here today now. We started yesterday with perimeter and circumference. Now we're moving forward into the idea of area. What is area? It's the number of unit squares needed to cover a figure. How much space in the two-dimensional plane does a shape of a flat figure consume or take up? That's what we're finding here when we're talking about area. Now, even though the section is entitled Areas of Parallelograms, realize that, as we learned yesterday, the idea of a parallelogram is a pretty vast topic because a rhombus and a square and a rectangle are all specific types of parallelograms. So they're really grouping all of those into this one section here. So that's what you need to be aware of. As you can see, looking at example 1, they're starting off with a rectangle. They're not actually looking at what we consider to be a visual parallelogram. They're talking about a type of a parallelogram here. So, finding the area of a rectangle is found by taking the length and multiplying it by the width, by multiplying together conjoining sides here. So we have the length and the width clearly labeled here. Length and the width are 7.4 and 4.5. I'm multiplying those two guys together, and I end up with 33.3. So the area of the rectangle is 33.3 inches squared. Now, as we take a look at number 2, in number 2, they're going to work that formula now backwards. They're going to tell you that the area of a playing field here is a rectangle, 1,470 feet squared, and the length is 42. We're supposed to find the width. So let's plug numbers into that formula that we just used. The area here